This video is going to cover Objective 2.1 practice tasks. The first step of this file is going to ask you to import the customer table worksheet from Access Expert 2-1 workbook located in the practice file folder and create a new table using the worksheet column headings. And we're going to skip importing the facts field. So we're going to go up to New Data from File, and we are clicking on Excel. Then we're going to hit Browse. And then you're going to click the only Excel file that's going to appear when you're in your Objective 2 Access Expert 2019 data files. When you hit OK, you're going to hit Next, that we're choosing to import the customer table. We're also checking the box that the first row contains the column headings. And then we are not going to import the facts field, so you're going to use your horizontal scroll bar, scroll all the way over to the right. Then click on your facts field, hit Do Not Import, then hit Next. And we're going to choose our own primary key, leave customer ID there as the default. And then we're going to take out the word table here at the end because it's just called the customers table. You do not need to save the import steps. You're going to hit close on all of these tables for that step. Then from there, we're going to import an HTML. So we're going to go to New Data Source again from File and HTML. Then you're going to click Browse. Double click that HTML file when it pops up, hit OK, and then this time we are going to check first row contains column headings and hit Next, then hit Next again, and we're also going to let Access add its own primary key this time, and we're going to hit Next, and the table is called Products, so you can hit Finish and then Close. Step 3 of the project asks us to import the structure and data of the suppliers table, so we're going to go to New Data Source, from File, and we're going to click on the XML file. Once you hit Browse, you are looking for the XML document, which is up top, then hit OK. Make sure Structure and Data is selected, and then hit OK, then hit Close, and then you've got your suppliers table that's been imported. Then the next step is to import the Access Expert 2-1 text file located in the practice file folder and append the data to the existing orders table in the database. So we're going to go to New Data Source. From File, we're going to go down to Text File. We're going to hit Browse. Then you're going to double click on your text document that appeared at the bottom. And then we are appending a copy to and adding that to our orders table. Once you hit OK, we're going to leave it as a delimited format and then hit Next. Leave the comma. And I clicked the wrong file, so we're actually just going to hit cancel. I apologize. Let's try that one more time. So New Data Source from other source from File, and we're going to go Text File. This time, let's go Browse. It's actually the top file. I clicked the bottom one. We're actually looking for the CSV file. So if you hover over the type of file there, you'll see comma separated values file. Apologize about that. Append a copy to, and we're going to go to orders this time. Then we're going to hit OK and leave delimited, hit Next, leave comma, and comma. We actually want to check the box here. First row contains field names. Then we're going to hit Next again, and then we are going to hit Finish. From that, there's about 800 records that got imported, so it may take a second. And the order ID field will already be the primary key. It says to assign that, but it already is, so we're good there. Then the next step is to import another text file located in the practice file folder and create a linked table. So we're going to hit New Data Source from File. This is going to be a text file, and again, it's a linked table. We're going to Browse, and this time we're going to use this text document here. Then hit OK. And we're going to leave the fixed width, and then we're going to hit Next, and then then hit Next again. First field is going to be called currency. The second field is going to be called per $US. The next field is going to be called to $US. Then we're going to hit Next. And the table, or the linked table, is going to be called exchange rates. And then hit Finish. Then hit OK. Then it says open the Access Expert 2-1 text file located in the practice folder. So you're going to open up the text file in your folder, and we're changing it from 8.77 to 8.57. You're going to hit save, Control S, then close that out. Once you save the text file, then it asks you to update the exchange rates table to incorporate the changed value. So you're going to go back to your file, open up your exchange table. You can actually right click on it and let's hit refresh link. Then it changes to 8.57. And this completes objective 2.1 practice tasks.